This is the Meike MK-L-AF1 automatic extension tube kit. Basically the cheapest route to macro for us Panasonic L-mount shooters. But is it any cop? Let's check it out. Now I'm not expecting much inside here because it is simple as anything. There's your packaging, silica gel, and the tubes themselves. So what you've got is an 18mm and a 13mm. You can use them together or individually. We get the typical cap at the back. So there's your electronic contacts, your mount, which will go to your camera. We'll demonstrate that in just a moment. And then at the other end, the bit that will go to your lens itself. And the side, we do have releases, so I can release the two separate, and there we go. Now obviously if this is attached to a lens, you can release the lens with that there. And yeah, nice and simple. Literally you just line it up properly and it will just click in, simple as that. And then the other end, so if you've got them combined, open, going the wrong way. So there's red dot there, line it up with the red dot on the camera body and we're in, and that will now start to work with autofocus enabled on the camera. It will shoot as if it was, you know, a native lens, albeit a lot closer now. So let's see if they're any good in practice. As there's no glass, it's just you, your chosen lens, and a good bit of light. Of course, a tripod is very handy, but if you've got plenty of light or a flash unit, you could use them outdoors shooting flowers close up, for example. And that's where I think the autofocus really makes sense. Indoors, manual is usually the preferred method. But having said that, the autofocus with these is very accurate. In my test shots, at least, I even found that face tracking worked well. Now, talking about faces, this is how I found that out. These little figures are about 4.7 centimeters in height. They're basically Poundland versions of Lego figures. So I decided to shoot them, first of all, using the 13mm only. Let's see how we get on. Image quality is down to your lens, and as we said, lots of lighting. Again, as we said, there's no additional glass involved. It's literally just getting you a lot closer with your chosen lens. So overall, simple, effective, not bad at all. So much so that I decided to change my original thumbnail shot actually twice, because once I got the 13 and the 18mm together, I had even more fun. I'm struggling to find a chart showing the different magnification ratios and compatibility as we've seen from other mounts, and as I've found extremely helpful. I might need you to let me know what lenses you're using and how you're getting on. But yeah, for now, just over £50 on Maker's own website, about 64 via Amazon. I can't fault them at all. Now, there's nothing really to worry about. It's very simple. Build quality is good. Even what the internet like to complain about, the releases, absolutely fine. But yes, let us know if you've used these things, and I'll see you very soon.